Hello everyone, myself Sham. This video is about the design of a tall building of 23-story building by using ETABS as the project given by Sky5 Labs. Here about 4 different stories of the 23-story building has been given, and each 4 similar stories have their dead load and live load as given in the problem. And here the different dimensions of column and beams have been given, and M40 grade concrete has been used here, and HVSD bar of 500 and mild 250 rebar has been used, and slabs of 150 mm thick and M40 grade concrete has been used, and auto cladding has been used, and cladding load of 0.2 kN per meter have been used here. And here the building has been located in Bangalore, so such that we have to consider parameters as in the Bangalore. And here in this problem I have been defined the material properties and also the section properties here, and the load has been applied, that is 3 load. I have used the 3 load combinations of dead load, live load and the wind load combinations. This view I have been kept is about the wind load, and the wind load has been shown here. Then at last we go to analysis, and here I give run analysis. Before it I have to save here. Save. Then the analysis will be running. It takes some few minutes. And here we can check the displacements by clicking any one of the beam or floors, so that we can check the displacement here. Then go to design, concrete frame design, go to view or revise preference, and in design code you have to select IS 456 2000. Then click OK here. Then again go to design, concrete frame building, go to start design check. Here the design check will run. Here the analysis and design section differ for 170 frames have been given, so we can reiterate it because we have been given the auto select of the beams and columns, so we can go yes, it will automatically take the other dimension, and it will run the analysis. You can click any one of the beam or column, click anywhere, and you can check the details here. Then you click OK. Then you can check whether all the members have been passed, and here all concrete members have been passed the design check. Then OK. You can also prepare the report for this. go to report, the project summary or some report or summary report. You can click and you can take the report of it. And here the project report has been ready, and you can view the project report starting from here, and you can note the rebar details for each stories. This is about the project report, and this is for complete project of the 22 storings by using the E-tab. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.